Good morning, students. Topic maxima and minima is continue. Question number 17, page number 233. Question is, a square piece of tin of side 18 centimeter is to be made into a box without top by cutting a square from each corner and folding up the flaps to form the box. What should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box is maximum possible? Students, there is a square of side 18 centimeter. We have to cut square from each corner of the box. And these flaps are folded and we will form an open box. There is an open box. Student, this box has the length 18 minus 2x and this way is also 18 minus 2x. We have to cut a square of side x from each corner of the square. So, volume of the open box equal to area of the base into height. Student, base is a square of side 18 minus 2x and height will be x because this part will be fold. So, height becomes x. Area of base is side square a square into h. A is 18 minus 2x whole square into x. This is volume. Student, h is x. Here a equal to 18 minus 2x and h equal to x. So, this is the volume. To find the maxima and minima, we have to apply the process of maxima and minima. So, we will differentiate b with respect to x. Now, we will find dB over dx. Student, we have to differentiate it. It is 18 minus 2x whole square into derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of this is 2 into 18 minus 2x into minus 2 into x. Now here 18 minus 2x common, then it is 18 minus 2x minus 4x. For the maxima and minima, first order derivative is 0. Therefore, dB over dx equal to 0. This gives you 18 minus 2x, only 18 minus 2x is common, into 18 minus 6x equal to 0. From this, we will get two values of x. Here from when 18 minus 2x equal to 0, then x equal to 9. And when 18 minus 6 equal to 0, then x equal to 18 upon 6 and 3. X equal to 3. Now, we will find the second order derivative. Student, now we will find second order derivative. d2b over dx square. So again apply the product rule. Here 18 minus 2x as it is derivative of this bracket, it is 0 minus 6 plus 18 minus 6x, and derivative of this part is 0 minus 2x. Now when x equal to 3, then it is 0, it is 2 into 3 into minus 6. This part will be 0. So it is 18 minus 6 into minus 6, so result is negative. It means volume is maximum. Volume is maximum when the side of the square that is cut from each corner of the given square equal to 3 centimeter. And the maximum volume is 18 minus 2x whole square into x. So V maximum is 18 minus 2 into 3 whole square into 3, and it is 18 minus 6 whole square into 3. 18 minus 6 is 12. So 12 square into 3. It is 144 into 3. 3 4 are 12, carry 1. 3 4 are 12 and 1 3, carry 1. So maximum volume is 432 centimeter cube. It is the maximum volume of the open box. Student, now next is question number 19. Question is, so that all the rectangles inscribed in a given circle, the square has the maximum area. So here rectangles are inscribed in a circle. We will prove that the area of the rectangle will be maximum when it is square. Student, let it is x-axis, y-axis, origin 0, 0. Let the coordinate of this point is P, is x, y. Then this is the radius. Student, this will be x, this is y. Let it is L. So OP square equal to OL square plus PL square, and R square. Student, here circle is given, R equal to constant. It is x square plus y square. So we will get equation of circle x square plus y square equal to R square. Now length of the rectangle L equal to 2x. This part is 2x because it is x, so it will be 2x. It is breadth B equal to 2y. So area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 2x, breadth is 2y, so it is 4xy. Student, value of y is root of r square minus x square. So a equal to 4x into root r square minus x square. Student, r is constant, so this area is a function of x. Student, we can make the square also to remove the square root sign. So it is 16x square into r square minus x square. Student, we can suppose this as a Z. So Z equal to